Hello friends, today in this video I am going to presenting activity based learning. Today I am going to do an activity in which we will find the ratio between circumference and diameter of an object. Let's get started. For this activity we need any two circular objects, a scale, some colorful markers and a chart paper. Initially, I have made a line on chart paper and marked starting point with A. I have also made distance of 100 mm, 200 mm, 300 mm, 400 mm and 500 mm on chart paper. I have taken object and marked point A as a starting point and made an arrow in which it rotates. Now let me measure its diameter. We cannot easily make a point at center. For this we will make a small trick. For this I am rotating the scale around the dish. Here we can see that the measurement is increasing and decreasing. We also know that the diameter is longest chord. So here we are taking the longest distance. The longest distance is 141 mm. So let me try. We are measuring the circumference of dish. For this, we are putting the point A on the line and making a complete one revolution on line. Now let me measure it. This is 400 mm from starting point and measuring this point. This is 43 mm. So 400 mm plus 43 mm is equal to 443 mm. Let's make the calculation. The circumference of dish is equal to 443 mm and diameter of dish is equal to 141 mm. It is equal to 3.40. Let me measure the diameter of bowl. For this, we are doing the same as dish. The longest chord is 85 mm. Let me write it. same as the dish. Now let me measure the distance. From starting point A, it is 267 mm. Let me write it. Now let me make the calculation. The circumference of bowl is 267 mm and the diameter of bowl is 85 mm. It is equal to 3.40. Interestingly, we have taken two different objects with different diameters and different circumferences, but we have got the same answer. What is the logic behind this? Let me see. The circumference is equal to pi d and the diameter is equal to d. Here we have taken the ratio of c into d, which is equal to pi into d by d. Here d and d are cutted, which is equal to pi, and pi is equal to 3.14. So this is the reason why in case of bowl and dish the answer is same. By this activity we can conclude that different objects which has different circumference and diameter has the same ratio of pi, which is equal to 3.14. By this activity we can also find the value of pi. Thanks for watching.